It's Hannah with WTI. If you really want to leave an impression when you send a letter, then you should try getting a wax seal kit.
I think there's nothing more high class than sending your letters with a wax seal on them. And this kit is perfect if you want to get started doing that. It comes with everything that you need. You get 240 wax seal beads, a wax warmer, a spoon, the tea candles for the warmer, and some double-sided tape. I love that it comes with this olive branch stamp and this rosewood handle that you can then replace if you want to collect more stamps. You can use this handle over and over again. There really is no end to the possibilities of things that you can use this wax stamp for. I love using it when I send thank you cards and even just doing some arts and crafts with it. It is just so fun and beautiful, and I think that everybody should have their own wax seal kit.
So take your correspondence to the next level and get this wax seal kit. Everyone will be so impressed, and that is my point of view.